I just want to wish my dearest brother-in-law and my sister a very, very, very happy 25th anniversary. I just want them to know I love them and I can count on them for anything, especially to shop for me because they can really bargain well and I hate shopping. And there are many other things which I can count on them, anything, problem or whatever it is. And I know my brother-in-law, more than my sister, will come running to me because he feels I'm just staying a stone. What to say, man? No problem. So I think I always pray for them that they always be like that to all of us and do all the shopping which I always want to do, may it be to send to Dubai or to the States or anything. I can always count on them and many other things. It's a big long list which will never end and I don't want to bore all of y'all. So I think that's it. A very, very happy anniversary.
Hi Banti and Valu uncle. I'll make this short and sweet. I just want to thank you all. First of all, wish you all for this beautiful day. And thank you all for one of my best childhood memories, that is Khandala, the Ramesh uncle's bungalow. I can't forget my happy times that I've shared with all the family there, and it's all thanks to you all. And for that I will be ever grateful. I've just written something very small for you all. I'm reading it now. Okay. People always wonder what brings together and sustains two hearts for so many years. The answer lies in couples like you, Banti and Valu uncle, where one realizes that such a beautiful marriage is beyond earthly powers, for it was surely made in heaven. That's all. Just want to tell you all, have a great many more 25 years and cheers.
Hi Banti and Valu uncle. Where my fondest memory as a child was me always going to your house during food time, because you would be always feeding Keith and Karen butter with rice and we would never get that at home. So I really enjoyed that, you feeding me that yummy butter rice. And Valu uncle, you are an amazing cook, and during the times I stayed in your house during confirmation, I really enjoyed the hearty warm food you gave me. So thank you so much for that. And all I want to say is that you all are a perfect example of a happy marriage. So it's the greatest example for us youngsters. Happy 25 years and many more to come.
Hi Banti and Valu uncle. It's been very nice to get to know that you have completed your 25 successful years. And just going to flashback, I can see that in my past, I really enjoyed you and Valu uncle when my mom and dad weren't around. You took really good care of me, Rebecca, taking care of our school, our tiffin box, whatever Keith, Karen got. It was made sure that me and Rebecca get that as well. So I'm really grateful for the time that I had with the Rebellos, and I wish them all the luck and many more 25 years to come.
Hi Banti and Valu uncle. We've been neighbors for like years, and even if the other family members were not there, we were always together for each other's birthdays and all, and we had lots of great memories. Recently when I stayed at your place for some work, you all treated me very well, you all made me feel at home. I had my own keys to come in and go out, which felt really good. And like Nikki said, Valu uncle's cooking is awesome. I really enjoyed it. If any one of y'all happen to drop by, y'all will never go without food. There's always loads of food. And I want to thank them for the people they are. So nice and warm. I would like to wish them all the best in life and maybe get to do this speaking about them for all the other 50 and 75 and many more anniversaries.
Dearest Banti and Valu uncle, the fondest memory I have about both of y'all is a time when y'all would fix a date and Banti would take me along on some pretext or the other, like taking me for a walk, for example, which was a big excuse. The real reason was she wanted to meet Valu uncle. So I think today you guys, Valu uncle and Banti, should thank me for the wonderful 25 years y'all are together.
For Pinky and me, Catherine and Valu are the benchmark of a perfect couple. Even after 25 years, they look good together. They're compatible, and It's like amazing the way they get along and do the things they want to do. I really wish them all the best and wish them the next 25 years they had as happy as what they were for this past 25 years. Happy anniversary. Cheers.
An incident of Catherine when she was young. She used to always faint, and we have taken her to a lot of doctors till I was told to take her to a specialist in Bombay hospital
Look at me.
by the name of Dr. Singhal. When I took her to this doctor, he checked her and then he took a hammer, the rubber hammer, and just did tuck on her head. And she was feeling okay, and doctor said, fine, she's okay, go. Then I told doctor, if that was the case, I would have taken a hammer and done it myself instead of paying you 75 rupees. How's it? A lot of people have said a lot of nice things about you all. I only want to wish you all a very happy silver wedding and another 25 years to come. Yes, all the best.
As usual, I'm nervous, guys, so I'm reading. Catherine, from the time I first made your acquaintance, you have evolved into a woman of substance, with dignity and pride. A patient wife and mother, ever willing to provide assistance and advice to one and all. Valu, over the years, you have been a model husband and father, tirelessly toiling for your family. Your every deed and action reflects the immense love you have for your family, and you have turned your home into a safe harbor. Catherine and Valu, yours truly is a marriage. Catherine and Valu, yours is truly a living example of a happy married life. Together, you have instilled good values and morals in your children. Your silver anniversary is a memorable milestone in your lives. Here's wishing your silver turns to gold.
Hi Bandy and Valu uncle, happy silver wedding. I was small, but my mama and dada told me that I had stayed 4 months with you all and you all took lots of care of me and all. So thank you very much, thanks a lot, and enjoy the rest of your married life. And we'll wait for 50 years also.
Congratulations, Bandy and Valu uncle, for your silver wedding.
Hi, dear Valu and Catherine. Wish you all both a very happy silver wedding anniversary and many more to come. I say something. You say something. Say.
Hi, wishing you all a very happy silver wedding and may silver turn to gold. And we have very fond memories. You all have helped us a lot in our marriage, and which we will never forget till date. You all have given us a shelter which we didn't have after marriage. And thanks a lot. Still, whatever help we require, you still give it to us. May it be anything. So all these fond memories will always linger with us.
And may God bless you and your family and keep you all happy always. I'll pray for you. Thank you.
In today's demanding world, with all the stress and everything going around, taking so much of our time, 25 years of marriage is a wonderful achievement. Valu and Catherine have fought the odds and not only made the family proud, but have reached out to all in need. And here's a little advice for Valu and Catherine. Since you all had lot of falls on your bike on the highways, Ratan Tata has made a wonderful car for you all called Nano, which is quite affordable. So here's to you. If you can't afford it, all your sister-in-laws are ready to buy for you. And have a wonderful 25 years and may it turn into golden and platinum.
Congratulations! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Congratulations, Catherine and Valu. You guys, we're very happy to be there to celebrate this milestone in your life. You all are such great, wonderful people and complement each other so well. I love the way you all reach out to every person in this family, including me. I will always be thankful for everything that you all have said and done for us. I wish you all a great life together. I love and I think I look up to the way I see you all so involved not only in each other but in your kids, and that is truly inspiring. Oh, Karen is smiling. No, I know that you all do so much, and I think that's such a great gift. All the very best, lots of love, and every day we celebrate from now on is a celebration of this exciting journey with you all. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Catherine and Valu, I know you all from small when I lived in Anaman building. And Catherine, I know she was my neighbor, and you are my neighbor. And I often used to see you run about from your house, come out, run about. I wish you all a very happy anniversary, and God bless and keep you all to see your golden jubilee.
On the occasion of your silver wedding, let me first congratulate you, dear Catherine and Val. May God shower His abundant blessings on you both. We reminisce all the silver moments spent together, sharing each other's joys, cheering in each other in times good and not so good. This day is the celebration of that love, that warmth which binds them in everlasting love that has grown with each day of these silver years. If you were to ask me to relive my life, I would be glad to have her as my sister-in-law again. Have a wonderful wedding anniversary.
Valerian and Catherine, congratulations on our 25 years of togetherness. On this occasion, I would like to thank you, Bangara, for being a wonderful wife to my brother, a good mother, and an excellent sister-in-law. Remember when you asked me if I had any objections to you marrying my brother? You remember that? I think you will. Anyway, I'm glad you did marry my brother. You have been a wonderful wife. Thank you and God bless.
Bangara and Valu, I thank you all very much. When Rocky was in the hospital, you all were there for my children. And whenever Rebecca had exams, you all were there always with her. So I wish you all happy silver jubilee, and thank you all very much.
What can I say about Valu uncle and Auntie? I wonder how they completed 25 years together bearing each other. Anyways, jokes apart, there's this one thing I would like to say. Valu uncle and Auntie, they're very helpful by nature. Every time you call them, like to ask about them, it's like every time you hear they're gone somewhere for their meetings or they're gone somewhere to, for all these occasions, they make it a point to be everywhere. If you see Bandi and Valu uncle, they are very friendly by nature. They're very nice. Here's wishing you, Valu uncle and Bandi, congratulations on this 25 years of marriage, and for the next 25 years, hopefully it becomes more eventful and memorable. Super cheers.
Valu and Catherine, there's just too much to thank you guys for. I think we don't need to thank you because God's already blessed you with 25 years of marriage. Just to name a few things in my life when I was growing up, I think Valu's bike was the first bike that I rode around the place, and I have to admit I banged it a couple of times. Those were good days. Also, I moved to your house from town hall, using your house to study, and so everything actually. Your place was a big blessing for us when we were growing up, and thank you very much for all that. the only other couple that I knew who completed 25 years of marriage was this friend of mine, that I met the other day, and I used to always ask him, how do you do this? How do you stay with the same person for 25 years? I mean, it's really boring, or it's really difficult, in today's stressful times. And he says, well, my wife walked up to me one day and said, I finally found a way to get rid of my headache. And he says, how do you do that? And he says, I went to this doctor who said, look at the mirror and say, I don't have a headache, I don't have a headache, I don't have a headache. And guess what? My headache disappeared. So the wife says to her husband, maybe you should try it too, because we've stopped enjoying each other, we've stopped getting intimate with each other. Maybe you should meet this doctor. So the husband says, why not? We've tried it all, so I think this could also work. So the husband went to the doctor, and the next thing you know is that they're very loving with each other, they're intimate all the time, they're beautiful, just like Valu and Catherine are with each other most of the time that we've seen them. And the wife says, wow, it really worked. What did the doctor tell you? And he said, it's a secret, I can't tell you. And then one day after a good long night, the wife quietly went and followed her husband to find out what really happened. And she could hear her husband saying in the mirror, that's not my wife, that's not my wife, that's not my wife. So, I mean, it's small things make the marriage last long. I don't know what your secret is, but it's worked. And I wish you guys all the best. Thanks.
Hello, Mr. Rebellos. Good evening, and congratulations on your 25th wedding anniversary. It's a great milestone for you guys. I'm glad you guys are still together and made it this far. You have wonderful children, Keith and Karen. One of my favorite cousins, of course. And I spent a lot of good time with you guys, especially in Hanuman Building when I was jobless with my long hair. Getting drunk all those nights. I'm sorry about that. And thank you for my first flight trip to Goa. That was the first ever time I sat in a plane when I took Keith along with me, I remember. And that was a long time back. But anyways, just to make things short, I really enjoyed all the time I spent with you guys, especially in Hanuman Building. Thank you for helping me get a job when I was jobless. What else can I think of you guys? And the scooter rides and all the fun things we did together. I definitely had great time and great memories with you guys, and I can never forget all those time I spent with you guys. And now since I'm away, it's even more precious, because every time I'm lonely, I miss not only my mother or my cousins, I miss all my uncles and aunties, and always I get flashbacks about the moments we had together. So anyways, all the best. Cheers. I'm having a pack of G&B, me and Johnny Mama, for you. And we'll hopefully see you on 16th. And I'll be there. I'll be your official photographer for the wedding and the party. And that's it. Cheers. Salute. And have a great
Congratulations and silver wedding anniversary. Okay. Valerian and Catherine, I don't know what. Most of the time I was with you all only. And I remember when Catherine was born, I was in boarding school. And my mommy and daddy came to see her. Then they said, "Are Bangarela, tum Bangarela." I said, "What Bangarela?" And they saying, "Okay, one more sister you got, and we call her Bangara." So that is the name my daddy gave, Bangara. So, and all the time, Bangara, so we used to always call her Bangara. Catherine, nobody knows her by the name of Bangara in her family, but everybody says Bangara. Okay, most of the time. And Valu was junior to me. We were in the senior team and all, and Valu was very junior. And then I don't know when he was teaching Bangara, he used to take a tuition and all. He kept line mara, mereko malum nahi, and all this. I said, chalo ho gaya, chalo, and always call me Kalya. Then I used to get very angry. Always used to say Kalya and Koiba. And this nickname, it was a nickname and all. So I wish Catherine, Valerian a very happy Silver Jubilee wedding anniversary, and may this anniversary turn into good. God bless. Wait for the glass. What the bloody hell? Cheers.
भायरा म्हज्या व्हडल्या भयणीचें धाकटें चेडूं तें आमकां खूब पावता सगळ्या कारणांक पावता. तशेंच ताणें म्हाज्या व्हडल्या पुताच्या चेड्याचे हॉस्पिटलान आसतना खूब तेजें हें केलां आनी तेजे बरोबर आमकांय ताणें पळयलां. आमी तेंगेर वयतालीं, जेवतालीं, खातालीं आनी बरीं येतालीं मागीर. आनी थिंगा हॉस्पिटलान मागीर आमी रावतालीं. त्याच भाशेन तेजी सिल्वर जुबली म्हळ्यार 25 वर्सां काजराची बऱ्या भाशेन जावं म्हण हांव देवा लागीं मागतां. आनी तशीच तेंची 50 वर्सांय जावं म्हण देवा लागीं आमी मागतात.
चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा वालू आनी भांगारा कात्रीन. तेणें आमकां जायती मदत केली. जेन्ना म्हजो पुताचो व्हडल्या पुताचो धाकलो चेडो हॉस्पिटलांत आसलो तेणें आमकां हॉस्पिटलांत जेवण खाण तें सगळें पावयलें टायम टू टायम. आमी चड आनी चड ताका देव बरें करूं म्हणटात. आनी तेंची ही 25 इयर्स सर्वीस सिल्वर जुबली बऱ्या भशेन वचून चलोवन आनी तशेंच 50 वर्सांची गोल्डन जुबली आमकां मेळूं दी म्हणून आमी मागतात. चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं.